It's called emotional blackmail. You've been blackmailed, baby. It's called fear, obligation, and guilt. Every Christmas, people use those tactics. Oh, you gotta buy me a Christmas gift. You gotta buy me this. You buy me that. I ain't buying you nothing. I'm celebrating me. I'm gonna pamper myself in Chanel.
Parkside Avenue.
Do my nails for a change. Spend my money on me. It ends with you and begins with you. Process that. And I'm getting off at Beverly Hills. I don't know where y'all getting off. And I ain't taking no follow. And happy Hanukkah too.
Happy Hanukkah.
They don't know those 7 principles. Disobedience. If you can follow those 7 principles, you'll have a wealthy life. It's not about materialism. It's about the inner wealth.
Process.
Prosperity. Inner prosperity. Your preachers ain't teaching y'all that the kingdom of heaven is within. What has materialism got you today? Trust yourself, baby, and believe in yourself. You don't have to believe in anything I say. I hate to tell you good souls, bad news. But if you like chaos and drama in your life, go to Broadway. They got plenty of space.
Church Avenue. Transfer is available to the B train.
Y'all gonna run to church Sunday.